flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Johnson County in north-central Texas, eastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas,
until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Burleson, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Hearst, Burleson, Cleburne, Southlake, Colleyville, Forest Hill, Richmond Hills, Kennedale, Everman, Keene, Alvarado, and Rundown. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.